Competitiveness is important for survival. Every part of the construction industry needs to embrace innovation.
Ceram have a very experienced and dedicated team within the construction group, and we help clients on the journey really from the project inception all the way through to the project delivery at the end and interpretation of the results.
Innovation is extremely important to profitability in construction because due to Europe-wide standards and codes of practice being developed, due to international collaboration and due to consolidation, industry is increasingly becoming exposed to industries where there's a lower cost base. So for the UK, it must continuously innovate to try to drive down costs to remain competitive. Regulatory change can be an opportunity, and particularly as we are moving away from prescriptive requirements in regulations, more to having functional performance requirements, which means that people can be innovative in the design of products providing they can produce the performance that's required. We're experienced right from the very start of the manufacture of a new product in extraction of raw materials, manufacturing process, product testing and certification, through to design by testing and through to end-of-life use. So we're very well placed to assist in cutting costs at all stages in the supply chain.
Ceram's approach to sustainability and helping the construction materials industry, particularly in actually achieving sustainable objectives, is actually looking at the bigger picture or the holistic approach. And by doing that, we encompass not only the investigation of the materials that a business uses, but also its manufacturing process and the end products that it ultimately will produce. Sustainability can set you apart in the marketplace and actually win you new business, differentiating you from your principal competitors. I believe Ceram have got world-class facilities, and we use those to benefit our client.
The range of facilities and expertise available at Ceram is unique. We at Ceram are absolutely passionate about helping clients drive down costs and improve sustainability. The staff at Ceram have a lot of skills which are relevant to all of the stages of the supply chain in the construction industry.
In the construction sector, sustainability and profits will be intertwined, and Ceram are here to help their clients actually reap those benefits.